So you unpacked your bag, you got all your gear out, you put your batteries into the charging pack. We need your motion controller, your goggles and that. So you've got to charge it up. So bottom of the motion controller, you just plug that in and the lights will light up at the top there and they'll start to flash when they need charging. And same with the goggles, you just put that in there. There's the charging lights and you just let that charge up. And the same with the controller, same with the batteries, you just put it in there and they'll start to flash when they're charged. Just before we start to do the activation, I just want to insert the SD cards. Now I got the two. I did check to see that the actual drone itself has got internal storage of up to about 46 gig, which is useful. I'm just inserting the SD card into here. As always with me, I don't know what it is. Every time I put the card in, I'm always out the wrong way around. You just push it in. It's gone in there pretty easy. So that card's done. And then we get the drone itself. And as you can see, I've never used it before in my life, but there it is. So there it is. I bet I got it upside down. Yes, done it again. I don't know what it is. Every time I do this, I always get a card. Anyway, SD card in there. That's that bit done. So what we do now, we're going to connect up the goggles to your phone and we go through the Fly app. Now obviously depending on what sort of phone you got, I got an iPhone, so there's a different connection. Now DJI does supply you with a cable, but it's only for certain types of phone. Anyway, so what you do, you connect your phone to the goggles, and then we put on the goggles, put on the power, double tap, so you can see that's on now. And we go into the DJI Fly app. Here we go. This is what you got to do, guys, because if you don't do this, nothing's going to work. There's probably going to be a download as well. So, that was quick, wasn't it? I'm sure that wasn't it. Right, before you fly. So it's obviously to go through all the formalities. Operator's registration. And then it's just telling you about some of the rules. So you okay that. So we do connection guide. Okay, so the next one we got to do is turn on the drone. Okay, so wasn't prepared for that one. Okay, so insert the battery, only goes in one way. Just push it in, make sure you hear the click, and then we just power on the drone. Very similar to other DJI drones, you just double click. Okay. So we pair it up, press the button for 4 seconds, I believe. Okay. Motion controller. Okay, so we've got to do all the linking up together as well. So there's the button. Is that on? I don't think that come on then. I think I'll just do it again. There it is. Okay. Okay. Is that done? Okay, I have to double click then. So they're all linked up together now, which is good. Okay, activate. Okay, it seems to be all successful. Now the care refresh. I can skip that because I'm not doing that. I'll tell you why in another video. Okay. Okay, so everything's been activated. We got an update. So we need to do an update. Okay, so all updated, which is good. Everything's done. So what we do, we go into GoFly. So this is another thing we got to do, is do your language. Right, screen view output in the goggles. Okay, so let's do that. I've got to take my glasses off. This is the thing that I have a problem with. So hopefully you can see us on screen. Right, next. Okay, head and forward adjustment. So I've got a thing on the back, and you're just following the instructions really, guys. Okay. I'll be honest, I don't need to do any adjustments. I'm going to give it a little go just to show you what's going on there. Yeah, I think, to be honest, it's pretty spot on now. I'm just going to, yeah, I think that's all right. Okay, back onto the, okay, next. Yeah, okay, yeah, but I can see that. Done that. I've got one underneath as well. Yeah, I've done those. Yeah. 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 Okay. Oh, right. Unfortunately, you guys, you can't see it. This is, I think they call it PIP. Oh, I see. Right. Press back button to return. Okay. Back button. Right. Okay. Let's just go along there. Okay. Okay. That's something I want to try out. That's for sure. Goggles defog. Brightness. Yeah, I think everything looks fine on that. Okay, I'm just messing about now, guys. Press back button to return to previous. No, that's putting the video on. Okay. Camera settings. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Yeah. iOS, yeah. Shutter speed, yeah. Not really. WE aspect ratio. Video quality, yep. I'm a 1080 man myself, and 1080/60 is fine for me. Camera FOV. What's that about? Oh, right, so we got that. Rock steady. Okay. Color normal. So, press button back. Okay, press. Right. Press the button to the right. Okay. Press button. Okay, so we got settings. Let's go in there. Right, motion controller instructions. After tapping start, aircraft will respond to a motion controller. Okay, let's see what happens, eh? Let's press start. Right, motion control is available to connect the goggles. Okay, well, I'm not really sure about that. That's something I'm not really sure about. Is this a good idea? Unfortunately. Okay, press and hold the dial button. Okay. Yeah, right, I've seen what I've done now. I've pressed that button. Okay. Right, use motion controller joystick to control the menu to move the line. Right, let's have a look at this. Operation successful. Okay, what's that? This feature allows you to see real-time view of your surroundings. Enter real by pressing the dial twice. Let's do that then. Alright. Oh, right. Okay, so I've done that. So what it is, I've got the PIP back up. What can we see on the screen? Need tapping away there. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. So, next, the headset. Okay, what's that about? Hang on, let's put that down. Trying to read the screen as well and adjusting my eyes is a little bit difficult for me. Okay, so what it's saying is I can press that gently. Right, and I know, hopefully you can see what's going on the screen there. Okay, press accelerator forward to make the aircraft go backwards. Yeah. Okay. Right, press the accelerator lightly to the left and right. Okay, yeah. I do love this torch. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but yeah, I can got that. Right, joystick. So, yeah. Obviously, once you're outside, it'll become more understandable, but I understand this is all about just getting used to it. Because this is my first time properly, guys, so... Okay. Use the academy to fly and flying techniques. Okay. I've done that. Okay, so let's put that down a moment. Let's see what else I got. Make sure the surroundings are safe. Okay. Make sure. So we'll just give that a quick go. Let's just put that there a minute. I don't want to take the drone off myself personally, but we'll just see what happens. Okay. Right, so double tap, and I believe then you press the button down. I've got my camera above it, I don't want to take the drone off. A double tap again. So, that's it, guys. That's your setup. So I'm ready to go outside now. But one more thing I will do just before we do all this, I need to check those other batteries. I believe you got to update the batteries as well. Something else I don't really see on there, but I just want to make sure everything's fine. So I'm just going to put my goggles back on. I've got that on my head. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn off the drone a moment. So the drone's off. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take out that battery. I'll put that battery over there so I know it's done it. Put in another battery. Put that on. Okay. So I've heard the bleeps, everything's on. So looking at it, it doesn't look like I've got to do the batteries. Okay. It's not giving me anything about, I would imagine, come out of that again. So, anybody out there, how do you check the spare batteries? Unless the batteries don't need updating. I would have thought surely they would. But anyway, guys, so then in the next video, we'll be going outside and we'll be going through some of the pretty basics really. And I can safely say I will not be putting it in manual mode. I think that's way off. But what I will do, we'll just put it into, we'll just do a basic flyabout. I think it's all about practice, getting out there, and having 3 batteries is going to give me that extra time of learning. So look forward to the next video, which will come out next Friday. And as always, there'll be another video coming very soon.